Hey friends, if you encounter this error, this PC does not meet the hardware requirements for a game or an application, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for Store in the Windows search bar, open Microsoft Store, search for that said application. Wait, that says the Call of Duty game. So uh, just go to that application or just search for it or go to the application and scroll down and check the system requirements and whether or not it has a tick mark here. If not, check if it can be fixed. For example, if it needs more memory, more RAM, then you can add RAM. But if you have a laptop and you need to add a graphics card, it's not possible. So this is the case with system requirements. You can check that accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.